In this video you will learn how to make a cartoon shoes. Let's get started. First of all, add a cube. Then scale it up and then use Ctrl R to add a loop cut in the middle. Select the bottom face and use E to extrude it. Ctrl 2 to add a subdivision. Go to Edit mode and delete the top face. Now hold Shift and select these faces and bring them down. Add a loop cut to the bottom. Select the bottom faces and press Alt-E to extrude faces along normals. Now dial down your subdivision to 1. Add a loop cut, then Ctrl B to bevel it and scroll your mouse wheel up on time. And now add loop cuts here and select these faces. Click P to separate. Go to Object mode and add a Solidify modifier. Now give it some thickness and grab it wherever you want. Now give a Solidify modifier to the overall shoe as well. Select these bottom faces and press P to separate. Now select these faces and press P to separate it and give it some thickness. Let's give some thickness to our bottom faces too. Now you can shade smooth all part. Cool! Add a circle and move it to the top of your shoe. Scale it down and bring it down. Then go to Object and select Convert to Curve. Now you just want to add some depth to it. Shade it smooth and go ahead and use Shift D to duplicate it and just set it up how you want your laces to be. So beautiful! Let's add some material to our shoe. Select the bottom part and go to Material and select your base color. Then select your shoe and go to Material and select your base color too. And do it for all part. Drag your mouse and select your entire shoe. Now press Shift D to duplicate it. Cool! Now let's add a plane and scale it up. Go to Edit mode and select these edges and use E to extrude them. Then select the edges and press Ctrl B to bevel. Go to Object mode and select Shade Smooth. Now let's add some color for our plane. Go to Render View and put the engine on cycle and device on GPU. As you can see, it's too dark. So, press Shift A and add an area light. Grab and scale wherever you want. Also, you can press Shift D to duplicate it and use your lights. Great! Let's add a camera and place it wherever you want. Go to Render and put the max sample on 500. You can choose as much as you want, but the higher the sample, the more pressure is put on the computer. Now press F12 to render. It is great! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Until the next video, goodbye.